Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add shipping address on Goat. So let's get into the video. So open up Goat and log into your account, and if you want to add a shipping address you can do so while placing an order. So simply make an order, just choose anything, an item here. So just add something to your cart so that you can make an order. So I'm going to do that, so let me do that. Okay, so for example here, this one, I'll just choose this item and then I'm going to add it to my cart. So let me select it. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to just choose the price and then add it. So here, so now when I get to this payment page here, so when I get to this when I select the item and add it to my cart here, so now what I'm going to do, if I'm going to add a shipping address, I'm going to simply hit on this. Under shipping tab you'll have add new shipping address. Click on it and then type in this shipping address that you wish to add. So just type that in and hit on continue to payment. So when you hit on continue to payment, this address will be saved on your account and it will be used for future orders as well. So that's how you can save your account or add your account on Goat while making an order. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.